Hello, I'm Mr. Diamond of the Crypto Diamond channel, and today we're going over Bitcoin Spark, a project that claims to be rewriting Bitcoin's history. Before I get started, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with all my crypto content, and stay tuned to the end of the video to see how to enter into the Raven Coin giveaway contest, which goes until the end of October. Alright guys, let's jump right on into it here. So I'm going to pull up bitcoinspark.org, the homepage for Bitcoin Spark. They do have a beautiful website laid out there for you guys, a lot of animation going on, and everything is easy to read and find right here at the top of the homepage as well. And they also have the white paper, and this project has also been audited. Two things you want to look for in every crypto project is the audit and the white paper. Alright guys, let's jump right into the introduction of what Bitcoin Spark is about. They do have an opening video. I can't play that for you. If you want to see that, you do have to play that yourselves, otherwise I get a copyright infringement. Here we go. Imagine having a second chance to buy Bitcoin early. That is a great promise right there. There was a time when Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, was valued at a mere dollar. In those early days, many missed the opportunity to invest, not realizing the exponential growth that lay ahead. Today, each Bitcoin is valued at several tens of thousands of dollars, leaving many to wonder, what if I bought Bitcoin when it was just a few cents? Same thing with me. I was actually given the opportunity to get free Bitcoin way back in the years when I was in school for IT. And I totally turned it down because I didn't know what Bitcoin was about. I didn't understand digital economy or digital money or credit cards for that matter or anything digital. So I kind of turned it down, kicking myself in the ass now years later. But hey, there's always another opportunity. Imagine if you could turn back the hands of time and seize that missed opportunity. Would you take it? Of course you would. But as we all know, the time travel is a concept of science fiction, not reality. However, there is a new glimmer of hope on the horizon, a new digital asset called Bitcoin Spark. Bitcoin Spark, much like its namesake, is a new player in the vast digital currency field. It's a beacon of promise, ready to ignite the crypto market with its innovative technology, secure blockchain system, and potential for high returns. Unlike Bitcoin's past, Bitcoin Spark's future is still unwritten, and is currently valued at a price point reminiscent of Bitcoin's early days. As of right now, in the making of this video, guys, it's sitting at $3 a token. As of right now, it did launch, I believe, at $1.50, $1.25, so it's already doubled in value since they've had this out. As an investor, this could be your second chance to ride the wave of cryptocurrency's potential boom for the ground up. This time you have the benefit of hindsight, the knowledge of Bitcoin's growth, and the foresight of what cryptocurrencies can achieve. Bitcoin Spark is the opportunity you've been waiting for to fulfill those dreams of buying Bitcoin early. A lot of big promises for this project, guys. That is the first statement you'll see on their homepage. I'm not saying to go ahead and buy it. I'm not saying not to buy it. Do your own research. Make sure it's something you actually want to invest in. But it does look promising from what I've seen so far, and it does have the things you're looking for in the crypto projects, like I said earlier. It does have the white paper right up here. We're going to go over that a little bit further in this video, and the audit. Two things you always want to look for there, guys. So explore Bitcoin Spark. Complete financial privacy with Bitcoin Spark. In the world of digital transactions, Bitcoin Spark is an exceptional solution for anyone seeking complete financial privacy. This revolutionary platform employs the same robust security and privacy features found in Bitcoin. And a lot of people do like that secure private features. Some people want to go DeFi, which is decentralized technology, which just means that you have more privacy, or centralized technology, which means you have a little less privacy, but a little more security. So you got to find a fine balance there. So there's always going to be playing around with privacy and non-privacy. This is always going to be a battle in the crypto world. So Bitcoin Spark, the token anyone can mine, a revolutionary digital currency that democratizes the mining process, allowing anyone with access to a computer or a smartphone to actively participate. Leveraging cutting-edge blockchain technology, Bitcoin Spark has made mining an inclusive activity that's not just reserved for tech experts or those with high-end hardware. So much like PiCoin or Pi Network, they're going to allow you to do this with Bitcoin Spark as well, where you'll be able to mine on the cell phone. I don't believe the app is currently out yet. I think beta launches on the next phase of the roadmap. But once you do, you can go ahead and start mining this currency right from your cell phone, guys. Something you might want to try out there in the future. Not many people can mine. Not many people have GPUs to do that, but everybody has a cell phone. Limitless upside potential for early adopters. Bitcoin Spark's philosophy of inclusivity opens up to a vast potential user base by making the mining process accessible to all. It can and will attract a broad range of users, from tech enthusiasts to everyday consumers. This widespread adoption will aid the Bitcoin Spark reaching Bitcoin-like valuations, and they're expecting Bitcoin-like prices, but a lot of people expect big things. This one I do see being able to go up high. I don't know if it's ever going to reach Bitcoin price, but I do see it reaching more than $3 where it's currently at. Electrify your earnings. Unlock the world of crypto mining. Step into the future of digital currency with the Bitcoin Spark mining application. No need for expensive hardware or technical expertise. Your computer or smartphone is all you need to start mining Bitcoin Spark. Experience the power and independence of cryptocurrency mining today. It does say it's coming soon, so it looks like it's also going to be iOS. So a lot of you who have Apple products have not been able to mine in the past. Now if you have iOS, you'll be able to do mining from your iOS phone device as well. Something new. You don't see that very often, so anybody with the Apple is now going to be able to participate in crypto, which is kind of cool because Apple has been excluded from almost all crypto mining and crypto events. Not saying they have anything against Apple itself, it's just easier to code and run batch files off Windows software. So you're going to maximize your mining rewards. Don't let limited processing power hold you back your potential earnings. With the Bitcoin Spark mining application, you can easily rent additional power from the network to boost your mining capacity and increase your rewards. Open up the world of opportunities in previously exclusive or elusive realm of Bitcoin mining with the Bitcoin Spark. And you're going to start seeing the mining costs go down. I do know with other projects, not pertaining to this one, where Bitcoin's going to be mining in areas where there's renewable resources such as water, turbines, renewable energy resources for mining Bitcoin, making it a lot cheaper to mine it. You're not going through as many kilowatt per hour price-wise, because that's the problem they're running into now, is the kilowatt per hour for mining is getting so high that you're not making as much of a profit. So they're changing it around where renewable resources for the mining process, making it a lot cheaper to go ahead and mine that token, keeping the profits up and allowing them to do more with this token as well. So you're going to unleash the power of collective mining. You're going to join forces with other Bitcoin Spark miners globally or create your own pool. Combine the processing power to mine more efficiently and reap greater rewards. Enter the once elusive world of Bitcoin mining with the user-friendly application and cutting-edge proof of process technology. If you want to learn more, you can click on the tab there. I'm not going to read everything off the page here, but we're going to go over a majority of the content that's on here. It already looks like they have a nice user-friendly UI going on right here. From what I can see in the images, I don't actually have any real UI to play with to go over it, but I did go ahead and make a dashboard. So if you click on the dashboard or the buy BTCS right here, guys, it's going to bring you to the user dashboard. You're going to have to go ahead and create that. You have to go ahead right here where it says, welcome, Mr. Diamond. Now, as you can see, they currently have the ICO going on, and that sell ends in 12 days, 3 hours, and 42 minutes of me making this video. If you have any questions, feel free to join their social networks. I'm going to drop all these social links in the video as well, guys. They do have a Twitter. It looks like a Reddit, Medium, Telegram, and something I've never heard of before called Stockwits. I'll put that link in there as well. Something new in the tech world, but I've been checking it out. It's kind of cool looking there as well. And if you look through the dashboard, it does have the price. So as of right now, 1 BTCS equals $3. They do have it in the white paper, how the economics are broken down as well. We're going to go over that here in the white paper in a moment. And if you want to buy BTCS, it does take you off page here to a place where you go ahead and buy it with either F, BNB, USDC, ADA, Solana, some regular Bitcoin, USDT, BEP20. And for those of you who don't know what BEP20 is, that's Binance Network. So Binance USD is what they'll be accepting as well, and Dogecoin. And then you have the transaction page here, which will show any transactions you have made. I haven't currently made any transactions yet, but I do like how they laid out this platform so I can see anytime I make something go in or out of my dashboard here. You can go ahead and create your own dashboard profile as well, where you can enter in your information like your mobile number, your birth date, nationality. This also helps with the 2FA, or not 2FA, KYC, I believe, know your customer part of these as well. You can set up 2FA. I would highly suggest setting up 2FA. If you're doing anything crypto, you're always going to want that 2FA, that extra layer of security is definitely going to help with anything that you're doing in the financial world. They already have their wallet on here as well. You can go ahead and see the wallet. As you see, I have a zero balance. I haven't actually made any transactions yet. This is more of an overview for this project, but I do see this going a long way. So eventually I am going to buy some BTCS, probably at the end of this month or before the sale actually goes out. And then you have the main site, which is where we're already on, guys. You can check that out. We can scroll down a little bit more. Here's the tokenomics. So 19% of the tokens will be put out in the public ICO. 78% of the tokens are going to be done through mining rewards via cell phone or computer. But 78% of the tokens taken out are through the mining process. 2% will be put into liquidity pools and exchanges, and 0.25% will be for the team and themselves or the team tokens. Any project that starts off usually has the founder or team tokens. You're going to see this in every crypto project when they launch off. And here's the roadmap. So what the roadmap is a simplified version of the white paper, letting you know the process of what's happening and how it's going to happen down the road. They don't always go based on the exact date, but they try to guesstimate what's going to be done around these phases. So right now we're in phase or stage 1, begin the ICO phase, have Ethereum-based IOU token contract created and audited as SEX or Central Exchange pre-listed agreements. So anytime you see CEX, that just means Central Exchange. If you see DEX, that means decentralized. So one is anonymous, one is not. And then internal stress load and test of the Spark blockchain. So they're going to be running tests as of right now. That's what they're doing. Next phase is stage 2, where the mining app is going to be closed beta. So you're going to be seeing beta launch here shortly. That's why you like to get in these things early, because you usually get rewards for doing like bug bounties, beta testing, stuff like that. So if you're watching this video and you want to get into crypto early and you want to do something where you feel like you're helping out, jump into this mining beta. You might not be rich from doing beta tests, but you do get extra tokens and you get an insight of how crypto works. And you usually end up getting a nice career or some way into the crypto space where you meet some cool people. Then you got stage 3, stage 4, stage 5. You guys want to read over these, feel free to do so. It's on the homepage here, guys. And they do have news as well and updates. If you want to look into those, they do have them posted right here. The last update was done September 13th of this year. And here are the audits. You guys can check these out. The KYCs and the audits, I already looked in advance. These audits are actually almost perfect. I've never seen an audit this good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. That's why I'm jumping on this project in particular, because an audit should never be that close to perfect, but it is, which is a great thing. There's no critical errors, no major findings, no mediums. Actually, the only thing they have is like one minor thing that they had to fix on there in one of the contracts I found, which that's amazing. You don't ever see an audit this good. All right, guys. Next thing here is the white paper. We're going to go over this briefly, and then we're going to go out and close out the video. So here we are with the introduction for Bitcoin Spark. In the rapidly evolving landscape of digital currencies, the quest for a secure, efficient, and user-friendly cryptocurrency has been an ongoing challenge. With the introduction of Bitcoin Spark, we are proud to present a groundbreaking solution that addresses the limitations of traditional cryptocurrencies and ushers in a new era of digital transactions. Bitcoin Spark is a cutting-edge cryptocurrency designed to provide users with an unparalleled security, speed, and scalability. This technical white paper delves into the innovative architecture and features that set Bitcoin Spark apart from existing cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. By leveraging state-of-the-art blockchain technology, advanced consensus algorithms, and unique governance model, Bitcoin Spark aims to revolutionize the way we perceive and utilize digital currencies in our everyday lives. And that's some big words coming from a project. Hopefully they can actually deliver. I'm not saying they can't, but let's hope they can deliver on these promises they're making right here. They do go over the history of Bitcoin and the shortcomings of Bitcoin, but we're going to jump right into the solution of Bitcoin Spark here. So they have it broken down into 4 little steps here. 1, transactions per second are significantly improved by decreasing the time per block, in addition to increasing the number of individual transaction capabilities per block as well, which is definitely needed for Bitcoin, because as of right now, I believe they only do 7 transactions per second, so they definitely need to step that up a little bit, and Bitcoin Spark promises they can deliver on that as well. By combining a drastically increased quality of nodes with a lower initial outlay of running costs alongside the improvements made in point 1, the fees for using the chain can be significantly reduced in the line of investment made by the miners. So the miners are going to have less fees to pay as they're mining this token as well, because it's a little bit more efficient. They're getting more transactions per block, making it a lot more profit in there for the miners too. Anyone can mine. This is a Bitcoin Spark ethos. The two-pronged benefit of this increased decentralization and security alongside a low barrier of entry for mining, making it easy for anybody to mine. So if you hold a phone, you have a laptop, you have a computer, you can go ahead and mine Bitcoin Spark. Okay, and after that, we have step 4, implementing a smart contract layer seamlessly integrated with Bitcoin Spark network. There would be a multi-layer system that all reaches finality on the main network, but allows for different programming languages to be used for application building. And for those who don't know what that means, it just means that you're able to go ahead and develop on this in different ways for those developers out there that want to develop on Bitcoin Spark. So what are the alternatives? They do have an alternative list here as well. You guys want to read that, feel free to do so. The next one is marketing strategy. For those of you who actually want to invest and see how the marketing is going to go, first we're talking about storytelling, which is Bitcoin Spark uses storytelling to captivate the audience's attention and connect them with a deeper level. It uses compelling narratives to convey its brand values, mission, and vision. Then they also have strategic positioning and leveraging technology. You guys can look more into this and the white paper when this video is posted, guys. I'm going to have all these resources in the video as well. If you have any more questions about this, I do see Bitcoin Spark as a really great investment going into the 2024 season. And even if you want to buy into the ICO right now, guys, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. Do your research before you go ahead and buy this. If you guys want to check them out, check out their social platforms, which will also be in the description of this video. If not, feel free to reach out to me, Crypto Diamond, on the Crypto Diamond Telegram, Crypto Diamond Facebook, or the Crypto Diamond Discord. Everybody have a great day trading. And also, if you want to get into the Raven Coin giveaway contest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment in this video to be entered into the giveaway contest. Everybody have a great day trading. Goodbye.